In the first council, Vinaya Pitaka was handed over to Venerable Arahant Upadi. He continued his Vinaya Pitaka, the Buddha's Vinaya Pitaka, with his students as a traditional work. Vinaya Pitaka, there are 5 sections. Each section is known as Pali, Mahavagga Pali, Tullavagga Pali, Parivara Pali, Parajika Pali, and Pachitya Pali.